Hey, how's everyone doing? It's Chima once again. And I just wanted to give you an update on these accounts. I recorded a video about, I think, 4 weeks ago, something like that, um, about these are model accounts where I funded an account with $1,000 just to support members of our club to show them that even with $1,000 they can start to grow that considerably a short space of time. And in 8 weeks we did 100% on the account, and now we are up 12 weeks on the account now, and we are at just over 200%, to be precise, about 224% up on the account. And I just wanted to record this to give you an update on that. And just like in the last video, we have particularly just traded our 5TT trading strategies. And so the 5 balance trader strategies, one in particular that we trade is the 5TT London London Open breakout system, 5TT LOB system, and that's what you see on the chart right now. And we also trade the 5TT wave strategy. Again, these are basic, standard, simple systems that we trade on a regular basis. And you can see the account is a live account. Account number is there. Um, and this is the current status of the account. There's one more trade open on GBP USD, and we can see it's in profit here. That's my options account. Um, Yeah, so this is there's an open trade there at in profit right now, and I'm just aiming for it to get to the take profit there that I set. Is already 100% profit, locked in 30 pips already, so that's not going to be a losing trade ever. So this is what the balance of the account is right now. You can see we've made a profit of 2,245. Balance right now is 3,245. Today we've had a couple of trades today that have closed today in profit. We had one we left over the weekend, and then I closed it very swiftly yesterday night when the market opened. And you can see it's the same account. So we funded the account on the 14th of September, and we took the first trade on the 22nd of September. And that's the account that's been running off from the time. And so from the 22nd of September to this point now is just about 12 weeks. Today is the 21st. So it's exactly about 12 weeks that we've been trading the account, as it were. And that's it. That's it, really. Let's go to my FX book page for this. So this is it, the same account, live, real account, track record verified, trading privileges verified. So this is third party independently verified that the results here are accurate, as it were. In fact, they are asking me to sign up for one of their trade sharing services where I can share the trading on this account for other traders to copy it. I've not done it yet. That's not yeah, not done it yet. But anyway, um, that's the um, that's the account here. It is at 224%, as you can see. Um, and so when you look at this now, you can see today we've done 3.5% already. This month we are up 37%, as it were. And you can see we've maintained a very healthy win rate. This month was tough. We had a couple of trades earlier in the month that also were a bit dodgy. They didn't go as we expected, but eventually we still are up 37%, even at 68%. So we're roughly just under 80% win rates on the account right now. And so we're going to be making up some of those, you know, rough edges around the account. But in essence, what we have here is completely 14%, 57, 30%, and 37% right now. And then the currency pairs we've traded this month, like I said, typically just trade only two currency pairs on this account. And you can see GBP NZD and GBP USD taking 56% of the trades. GBP NZD was rough. We had a rough month on GBP NZD. A lot of the trades were off. But GBP USD carried us through, and that's where we are right now, on the account. So you can do this. Members of our club are doing things similar at their own level. Some of them have accounts way more than the model accounts, and many others also have smaller accounts. And that's the point. You can do this. You can actually create this sort of returns in the market. Balances, you can see there, balances there, the profit growing on the account, and then the drawdown, we've maintained it apart from last week that we had a shoot up there, but it is just maintained in that time. And right now you can even see the equity is higher than the balance. So it is quite healthy. If you've been trading for a while, you would understand this, as it were. Drawdown on 30%, slightly high, but with the return on the investment at 224%, it is quite impressive on that. Okay, so it is 5TT Profit Club. If you want to know more about our club, you can send us an email at admin@5talentstrader.com. I'm trying to look at what camera. I've got two cameras, one on the laptop and then one just standing here. So if you want to know more about the club, you can reach us out. You can reach out to us at admin@5talentstrader.com, or you just click the link that is in the description of this video, and then learn more about what we do, have your questions answered, and see how we can help you in 2021. Let's make 2021 the year we had desired to have in our lives. Okay, until next time, you have a great Christmas holiday, or just a holiday, either way. And let's see you in 2021. Let's speak soon. Cheers.